After expats arrive in the host country, they participate in the on-site phase of cross-cultural training. It usually begins with the host or sponsor introducing the expat to their new colleagues. Then, they complete a formal orientation before getting settled into their new home. Throughout the first days and weeks of the assignment, expats are mentored by their host country mentors, who guide them, advise them, and serve as a liaison to the host company. During this time, training also seeks to encourage relationship building. Expats tend to be more successful when they have social support in the host country, as well as from within their own families. In fact, some of the greatest obstacles to successful expat assignments lie within the family unit. Some people are concerned about moving away from their families or about potential negative repercussions for their spouse's career. Flexible arrangements can help address some of these concerns. The company can agree to pay for more frequent visits, for example, or design the assignment so it can be done in stages by traveling back and forth between the host country and home country.